Guys, today is a sad, sad day. My SSD got corrupt, and everything on my desktop was stored on the SSD, including all of my programming files. And because me being me, and me not being very smart sometimes, I did not have any of them backed up to GitHub or Google Drive or anything. So, the bot, I will have to recode all that, and then I can start the tutorials back up. And then a project that I've been working on for 2 months now, I am going to have to start a version 2. And instead of just giving you guys updates, I'll probably actually make a video on that. Uh, the ironic thing is, the thing that corrupted my SSD was the rendering of the video of me going over that project. So, kind of ironic, kind of sad. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update. Tutorials should be coming out again fairly soon. So no need to worry there. I will be still uploading. I just finished installing my editing software and obviously OBS since I'm recording. Um, so we will start back up on videos very soon. I just need to recode the bot on my end so I can continue to add more things to it with you guys. So I will see you guys in the next one.